What are you cooking?
Chili.
Chili what?
Mama's chili. My mother's Dot Beard's chili.
What? Doc?
Dot. My mother's name was Dorothy. They called her Dot.
Dorothy. So what's the ingredients of your chili?
Well, the ingredients is kidney beans, onions, hamburger, and the secret recipe, which I can't divulge.
What's the secret? It's
Ketchup. And stewed tomatoes.
stewed tomatoes.
But the secret ingredient is ketchup.
Ketchup? That's not so secret. You know what the secret ingredient is that you should use?
What?
Garlic.
Oh no.
Garlic
There's already
is
garlic.
good with everything.
There's already garlic in the ketchup already. If you read the label, you'll see it says garlic somewhere. Did you find it?
Why is it already mushy?
That's the way it's supposed to be.
The soup of the beans.
Super deep.
Mix it and then simmer for how many minutes?
Till it's done.
How do you know it's done?
You taste it.
You taste it if
If it's hot,
it's
then
done.
it's done. Yeah.
So you mean just boil it, don't simmer.